Hey there, I thought I'd quickly show you a pretty cool tool that Nick Spiritos introduced me to. It's called Handy. It's basically just a application that allows you to do text to speech. But what's quite cool about it is it actually has got all of the relevant open LLM or open AI kind of like open sourced models that you can use to actually do text to speech. And basically with shortcut, any form, any place on your computer that you see, including your CLI, by the way. So you can imagine the different uses. I've been getting quite a lot of use out of it. I quite like bouncing my thoughts off of, say, Claude, especially when I've got an idea or problem or just something I want to talk through. So let's quickly see. I'm actually going to make this post with Handy. So as you can see, my shortcut is Control Space. The model I'm using is Whisper Large, so the accuracy is supposed to be great. The speed, not so much. I started with Parakeet V3, but maybe let's actually switch to Parakeet V3 before we do this. And so I'm going to do a little type here. So I recently got introduced to Handy by Nick Spiritos, and it's phenomenal. There's nothing quite like talking to my computer and seeing my words appear on screen with high accuracy. I think this is going to be a game changer for me personally, as I love to talk and I can get a lot more out verbally than per se by typing. So here we go. So I recently got introduced to Handy by Nick Spiritos, and it's phenomenal. There's quite, because as you can see, there are still a few spelling mistakes, but what I do quite like is the fact that when you are working with an LLM, it often interpolates what you actually meant to say, much like we do when you read a spelling mistake or a word is omitted in a sentence or the words are jumbled. So I still get pretty decent results. And also bearing in mind, I've got a very Afrikaans sounding English accent. So not necessarily the native English accent. This has got me thinking about what it would take to actually generate a little bit more of an accurate model for South African English. But I'm not sure whether we've got a predefined English Afrikaans accent that can be really, or whether there's a lot of nuance between different speakers depending on their fluency as well as the exposure. But you know, I don't know. The more I think about it, you know, somebody like Meta with WhatsApp and voice notes, they've actually got quite a lot of training data to really do voice-based models. But in any case, this is fantastic, and I thought I'd just share this with you just to show how cool it is. I'm going to drop some links in the description and post this to LinkedIn along with a little bit of a recording. If you want, check it out. Handy, pretty damn easy, and definitely handy. There's a download link. You can get it for Mac, Linux, or Windows. So yeah, please don't miss out on this one. It's quite fun. And again, you can basically have it typed anywhere that you would ordinarily type by using your voice. Thanks.